Discover what full-service broking can do for you with Sharekhan's daily 3-hour research actionable update.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting 3-hour actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. Today we have a new coverage initiation. Our analyst initiate viewpoint coverage on SAIL with a positive view and price target of Rs 169. This is 25% upside from current market price. SAIL is a best bet on steel margin upcycle given attractive valuation of 3.3 times FY23 EV by EBITDA. This is steep 40 to 50% discount to domestic peers. Also, balance sheet deleveraging as company expect net debt to equity of 0.2 times in FY23 versus 1.2 times in FY20. Completion of expansion plan will drive 12% volume CAGR over FY21 to FY23 earning estimates. Sustainable strong margin of Rs 11,000 per ton in FY23, which is less than 50% of previous steel upcycle. Thus, we expect 51% PAT CAGR, massive free cash flow generation of Rs 26,432 crore over next 2 years, and debt reduction to drive re-rating of the stock. Next on radar is Century Plyboards. Our analysts retain buy rating on Century Plyboards with a revised price target of Rs 505, considering strong growth outlook and healthy balance sheet. Century reported strong performance for Q4, led by strong revenue growth across its key verticals and exceptional performance from laminate division. Management remains optimistic on pickup in demand from Q2 of FY22. The companies line up greenfield as well as brownfield expansion plan to increase capacities in MDF, plywood and laminates. High treasury corpus of Rs 191 crore, which is against debt of Rs 109 crore, will aid in capex plan. Company continues to gain market share from unorganized sector in plywood. Prices hikes and cost rationalization will protect margins in wake of increased input cost. Our next update is on Mahindra Logistics. Our analysts maintain a buy on Mahindra Logistics with a revised price target of Rs 710, considering its strong earning growth potential. Management interaction highlights expectation of business returning to normalcy from August 2021 onwards, as current environment has not impacted decision making by customers to ramp up their operations. Mahindra Logistics is favorably placed among parents group entities in terms of its growth potential and capital allocation going ahead. It has a well-detailed plan to achieve Rs 10,000 crore revenue by FY26 with focus on improvement in net profit margin. Partnership with Flipkart and contract with Bajaj Electricals will expand its shared mobility services. This will also enrich its integrated logistics solution provider experience, going ahead, yielding increase in business from existing as well as new clients. So these were the 3R updates for today. Do like and subscribe to our podcast. Stay safe and healthy. For more detailed disclosures and disclaimers, please refer to our research report or contact our nearest branch. Please read the risk disclosure document issued by SEBI and relevant exchanges and terms and conditions on www.sharekhan.com before investing.
Tune in again tomorrow for a new podcast on Sharekhan's 3-hour research actionable update. Click on the subscribe button and never miss another update from Sharekhan. Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.